In the past, I didn't avoid the news, not for the most part. I didn't run from it. I just let it be part of my bigger analysis. In my opinion, the news often, remember, we're trading volume. That's where we get our money. So avoiding the volume to me is avoiding the money, just to kind of give you my mindset of why I didn't ignore the news. Slippage out of control in many of the different platforms. When it comes to news and crossovers, I have no intention. If I could avoid being in there, I would avoid being in there, like in terms of manual trading. There's a lot of money to be made in the news, but I think the consensus is they're not going to be lowering the rates just yet. We'd be trading perception. We'd be trading imaginary information if we were to trade tomorrow, right? Which is so unstable, right? I don't necessarily think the news is bad. In general, think the news is our enemy. I think sometimes it whips us around a little, but in a mostly stable environment, it's part of paying to play. So I never chopped that up as something to be fearful of. In fact, I feel like the whole time frame concepts and news concepts, once I got those out of my own way, like it just became easier. Fine, sometimes I got knocked out with news, sometimes I won big with news, and it was just part of my week. Because when you're doing this stuff, you can't backtest and not account for news. Any data that you do have includes news, whether that's automatic trading or manual trading. Any strategy you're testing includes news.